Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today I would like to share with you all about my group project CSC126. Our title is McDonald's Food Ordering Program, prepared for one FARIZA, BINTI, one RAHMAN. So here is our group member. First, Muhammad ALIF bin IBRAHIM. Second, TUAN MUSTAQIM bin TUAN ISMAIL. Third, Muhammad HAKIM bin Muhammad NASSIR. And the last one is Muhammad AIMAN bin ZANAINI.
Hi, I'm Muhammad AIMAN bin ZANAINI. My matric number is 2022469784. I'm going to talk about the summary of our group project. The McDonald's Food Ordering Program project aims to develop an interactive and user-friendly restaurant management system inspired by the popular fast food chain McDonald's. The software will be designed and implemented in C++, providing a robust and efficient solution for small to medium-sized restaurants to streamline their operation, enhance customer experience, and improve overall efficiency. For the features of our program, we decided to make 3 features, which is menu selection, receipt, and various options. For menu selection, this program will allow users to select any kind of food from the menu provided and also various kind of drinks, including dessert. For the receipt, this program will generate a receipt when users are done in picking their food, drinks, and desserts. Various options. This program provides various kind of options for users, such as whether the users want to add more food to their order or not, choosing different size of beverage, and also the amount of desserts wanted. The objective of the McDonald's Food Ordering Program is to develop a comprehensive and interactive food ordering management system using C++ that empowers owners to efficiently manage orders and thus enhancing overall customer experience. By providing a user-friendly interface, it allows users to efficiently make their choices without having to wait in line for customer services, which can be annoying to some people. Therefore, by having this program, it helps to avoid restaurants from getting negative feedback from their customers.
Our analysis making this coding is to choose various menu, to determine the types of drinks, to calculate the total price with 6% tax, and display the receipt. Objective 1. To choose various menu. The input is enter the order code from the menu, and the process will record the order code typed by user, and the output, the price of the order, will be displayed in the receipt. Second objective is to determine the types of drinks. The input is the user enter the type of drinks from the menu and its variation. The process will record the type of drinks and variation given by the user, and the output is price of the drinks will be given according to the type of drinks and its variation entered.
Objective 3. To calculate the total price with 6% tax. For the input, the user enter option to continue the program. For the process, the total price will be added with 6% tax, and for the output, the total price will be displayed in the receipt. For the last objective is to display the receipt. For the input, the user enter the required data to fulfill the program's request. For the process, all data will be added in the receipt, and the output, the receipt will be printed out.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad ALIF bin IBRAHIM, and right now I will be explaining design algorithm. First of all, flowchart. In this flowchart, we will be starting off by assigning prices and service tags. After that, we will be displaying the welcome menu for users and let them input their name in it. Next, we will be using the function show menu that we made to display all the menu. Users will be inputting their menu choice for various kind of food sets, and if the input is wrong, they will be going back to inputting their menu choice. Then, we will be displaying add drinks confirmation to confirm if the users wanted to add drinks or not, and if they are adding drinks, there will be many options to choose from. If they are not adding drinks, they can proceed to adding more menu choice and then proceed to dessert choice. If they want desserts, there will be multiple choices, but if they don't want dessert, you will just straight up go to calculations and then displaying the receipt, and that will be the end of the flowchart. Next, I will be explaining pseudocode. As before, we will be starting off by displaying welcome text, and then we can input our name. Then the menu will be displayed. Users will input their menu choice, and if they are choosing from B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, A1, A2, A3, or A4, it will display add drinks confirmation text. If add drinks equal true, then it will display drinks for users to input. If the users choose D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, or D6, it will give drinks variation and for user to input variations. Else, it will display invalid options. After that, users can input desserts confirmation, meaning they can choose various kind of desserts, or else they will just go to calculations, and in the end, it will be displaying a receipt. Last, it will be stopping the program, and that will be the end of my explanation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In my turn, I will talk about intro for our source code. Like other, we write the include IO string and using std to call our programming system. We also write the include AIMAN, include cstring and include cmax to call the advanced programming system. In the next, we write the constant double service tag rate to put the value of service tag rate. We also write or declare the void show menu to put the list of our order menu. In this part, we also declare the void show drinks to show our drinks menu. We also declare the void show drink variation for show our variation for drinks. Declare the char get user choice to get user input, and in the next we enter our main programming. We write the constant double B1, constant double B2 and so on to put the value of our order. In the next, we write the string order and so on to get the user input, and we also write the string dessert is the array for the dessert for our programming in the next. We also write the gets line to get input for our user name.
So we arrive at the section that the user need to enter the input to complete the order. First, the user need to enter what type of the customer want to order, and the display will show the menu, and then set the needed because the user need drink or no is yes, y, and no n, and then the user need to enter type of drink, and the coding will show the menu and also calculate the price. The coding will continue as if until the output show the invalid input drink order, and the coding will proceed to a drink size that the user want, and also the coding will calculate the total of everything. Actually, from the slide 18 until 23, we use the same method to calculating. All of these were made for different menus, and they are basically the same but altered a little bit.
the continuity of the previous code. These codes are for the user to make option of their choices size of drink and make the calculation of the total price based on their choice. If the user didn't choose the right option, the output will be invalid. This next code program are for the user to choose their drink variation and will show an invalid message if the inputs are wrong. For the next code, the user will choose their drink size. Then the program will calculate the total price. As usual, an invalid message will appear if the user insert the wrong input. These are the codes for the fourth type of drinks the user can choose. Same as the previous codes, the user can choose the fifth type of drinks and its size with these codes. This is the last type of drink the user can choose. Based on its type and size, the total price will be calculated. If the user declined on adding drinks before, the program will calculate the total price without drinks added. If not, the program will show an invalid message about invalid input in order menu. Next, the program will ask the user whether they want to add order or not.
In this part, we start with the repetition, which write the while set dessert is equal to or greater than 1. In the next, we do the multiply choice. If BRT is equal to 1, we go to the next. We also put the repetition in for int I is equal to 0, I less than 3, and I plus plus. This for show the desserts menu. In the next, we also do the multiply choice in dessert choice if 1, if 2, if 3, and in the last, if the RT is equal to n, set dessert is 0. So when we do the repetition, set dessert is 0 or greater than 1, so it's 4, so we end for the repetition. In this part, used for confirm order and also to show the receipts, that is include the total sets, total price, service tax, and total wish tax. In this time, I will talk about our sample output. For our first sample outputs, is the user should put the name. So is after that it show the list of our menu. Enter your order, 1 to drinks. If yes, it show the list of the menu for drinks. Choose drink, choose variation, 1 to order drink. If no, it's the end for the repetitions for the order, and 1 to add dessert. Yes, so it show the list of the dessert. Choose the desserts, how much, and if the dessert is 1 to add the dessert is no, so it's the end for the repetition. In the next, it will show the receipt for the order. This is the second sample for the outputs. It also show the welcome to McDonald's. The user put the names. It show the list of order. Choose order, 1 to order the drinks. If no, is go to the 1 to add order. If yes, is do the repetition, and it show the menu again. Enter order, 1 to drink. Yes, it show the order drinks list for the menu. Choose the drinks, choose the variation for the drinks. 1 to add order. No is the end for the repetitions. 1 to the dessert. No, so it's go to the receipts for the end of order. After the end of my explanation about the sample output just now, it's also the end for our presentation. So thank you for watching our video until the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoy it. See you again in another time.